In this video, I will show you the gaming performance of Roblox on the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. Now, as you can see, the battery is currently at 61%. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G supports Roblox on low graphics and also supports Roblox on medium graphics and high graphics. Now, there is no option to change the FPS, but you can see the FPS over here. Now, in today's video, I will play Roblox on low graphics. The gaming performance of Roblox on low graphics is very good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the tablet is normal. Now let's increase the graphics settings to medium. The gaming performance of Roblox on medium graphics settings is good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some minor FPS drops here and there while I was moving my character. But the game is playable, and the temperature of the tablet is normal. Now this time I will increase the graphics settings to high. The gaming performance of Roblox on high graphics settings is good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some minor FPS drops while playing the game. And the temperature of the tablet is normal. Now this time I will play Roblox on medium graphics settings while screen recording. Now I will set the graphics settings to medium. I will enable screen recording. As you can see, the FPS has dropped significantly. As you can see, while playing the game, sometimes the FPS drops from 40 FPS or 50 FPS to 20 or 10 FPS. Now, the performance of Roblox on medium graphics settings while screen recording is good. I did not face lags, but I faced some FPS drops while playing the game. And I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game on medium graphics settings. Overall, if you play the game at low graphics settings or medium graphics settings without screen recording, you will have a good gaming experience. And this is the gaming performance of Roblox on the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.